Hey guys, welcome back to my show. Today we are trying real goldfish flavors. And I'll let you know which one's my favorite. Stay tuned. I love everything. I want to try everything. The first flavor is chocolate mint pretzel. A little cupcake. Honey grams. This one's shaped different from the other ones. My favorite is s'mores. This is chocolate mint pretzel, so let's go ahead and try it. Smells good. This really tastes like a real pretzel. It tastes like pretzel. There's two different designs in this one. This is the pretzel one. This is the chocolate one. I really like this flavor. The vanilla cupcake is next. Cupcake. Hello, cupcake. There's only one design. Really white in there. They don't look like cupcakes because they taste like cupcakes. I really like them. It kind of tastes like an ice cream cone. The vanilla cupcake is good, does not taste sweet. So this is the honey jam one. Looks good. Come on, honey jam. Come on. Yummy! This is my favorite so far. And yeah, this is the stone. So this is the stone, small one, so let's go ahead and try it. So this has three things. So this has three parts. So this is the marshmallow. And this is the toffee chocolate s'more. This is the cracker s'more. Let's put them together. It looks like a s'more. This is the campfire. Hold on. It tastes like a s'more, but this one a little harder. But this one's really similar to the jet. So this is the four stuff like I tried. So 1, 2, 3, 4. They were all amazing. I love this. Which one was my favorite? This one and this one and this one and this one. I can't decide. Last time I could decide, but we bought Iron Man. This one doing this one. I know who. Hey buddy, I need your help. Which one of these are your favorite? Okay, well, buddy, make your decision. I guess we made a decision. This is the winner. To celebrate, let's sing.